All right, guys, I just got off of our meeting today, and I just wanted to help some students out with our assignment this week. So I'm on Google as a student. I go to classwork, and I'm going to go down. The video is here if you want to watch it from here. And then I also put it in with the Writing Beverly assignment. And you want to click on View Assignment, and it'll bring up the video here for everyone to watch. And then over here, it brings up your classwork. This is your own copy of this. Some of you already turned it in, and you can unsubmit so that you can fix it. So after I watch the video here, I can go into here, and the video is also here as well, so you can choose either way. And the directions say to use the compare and contrast on page 3. Use page 4 for supports. Page 5 is where you'll type your response. You need an opening sentence, a paragraph to compare, and a paragraph to contrast, and a conclusion sentence. So you've got to read directions. Then what Mrs. Hernandez and Miss Hannibal created these organizers for you to help you. Compare and contrast Beverly now. Okay, so Beverly now. To Beverly during the American Revolution. What was the same and what was different? So Beverly then, they gave you an example, horses, buggies, and ships. Beverly now, cars, trucks, ships, and trains. Beverly then, Beverly now, Beverly then. So you need to type in. And if I go over here, look, I didn't even have to double click. I clicked once and it's letting me type. This says what's the same. So they both had ships. And then I need to find a couple more. This is what's different. They didn't have cars or trucks or trains. So it's kind of like you're taking your notes and then putting them into sentences here. So same and different. After that, slide 4 says compare and contrast writing outline. You have an introduction sentence. You can either choose one of these or make up your own. So there's your intro sentence. Choose one of those. You need to have a similarities paragraph, and the teachers were so nice to give you your first one. During the Revolution, they used mostly ships to transport goods. Now we still use ships to transport goods. Now you need 2 more. The differences paragraph, they gave you the first one. You just need to come up with 2. And then we added some ideas for closing sentences. As you can see, some things in Beverly are still the same today before the American Revolution, or in conclusion, there are both similarities and differences between Beverly today and Beverly before the Revolution, or if you have your own. So they literally give that to you, and you can type in it. So someone was asking about typing. I didn't even have to double click. Look, I can type right there. And you're getting these from the video. Next, here is where you're writing what you chose for here. So if you chose to maybe do this question, maybe you like that as your opening, then you're going to go and you can type it or cut and paste. So here I did have to double click, and I'm going to erase that and put there. So did you know? Oh, I'm going to get rid of this part. We don't need that. There. Then I need my similar paragraph, my differences, and my conclusion. And I'm getting all of that from the video, which I took notes from page 4. And then I made a rubric just to help you that you've included the following. You have an entertaining sentence. You have a paragraph that gives 3 reasons or more, a paragraph that gives 3 reasons or more different, and then some conclusion choices. And then when you're done, you can share it. It's already actually shared. So when you're done, I think you just have to just mark turn in. So if I do turn in, it's going to say, do you want this attached to it? Yes, I do. And I'm turning it in. And then it's going to take a minute, and now it's turned in. So that means that your teachers can see it. Okay. So now some of you I just talked to have to go back. So you're just unsubmitting. Yes, I want to unsubmit. And now you can change it and write in it. All right, thank you. Make sure you're asking us questions. We wouldn't know what's going on if you're not asking. All right, thanks.